Hello, now I want to show you how to make two graphs or two different plots on the same graph. So let's have x, y, and then we have x2, and then we're just going to put some x2. Let's put the same values, and then we can do y2. Let's do 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. And we'll do plt.plot. Now we're going to do x2, y2. We can pick what we want. I'm just going to do a double one, and I'm going to change this color to blue. And we still have the same x label, y label, everything else is the same. Now when we run this, you can see this had a linear relationship, so it just plotted the other line. So that's how you can make multiple plots on one graph.